Hey guys, welcome back to technology. And sorry if I've been saying the King of Gaming and some other ones. I still have to get used to the new channel name. In this video, we've got the GoPro 3-way mount, and this is probably my favorite action camera mount. Probably because I never leave the house with it, and it's got so many uses with it. Like I can't think of. There's like so much stuff that you can do with this mount. It's crazy. As you can see, there would be like a GoPro mark here if it was the real one, which I'm obviously not paying for. Sorry GoPro, but I like your products. I love your products, GoPro. So this one is some other brand on Amazon, so you can get these from Sandmark and GoPro for like 15 bucks. They're not that bad. You can get them on Amazon. Yeah, these are Canadian prices. Yeah, so 15 bucks, and it's got a lot. So I'll show you. Here's one thing that you can do with it that so this is a selfie stick, and a tripod, and a grip, and like, I don't know, like there's so much stuff that you can use with this. So the first thing that you notice is that you gotta like loosen these knobs first to do it, to unlatch it, and then you can't pull that up any further until you press this little button to lock it out, and it goes pretty far. So this is about, I'd say, 1.5 feet long, maybe 2 feet, something like that. Not that long, but if you go like this, if you put the arm like this and use it as a selfie stick, you can't see your arm you can't see the pole in the video. So that's one thing that I really like about this, and that's pretty cool. Another thing that you can do is, this is probably my favorite feature about this, is the bottom. If you twist that, it's a little hard stuck in. Twist that, out comes your little tripod in the selfie stick itself. So right now it's got this little thing on it, so you can twist it back in the other direction now, and then you can use it as a little stand-up mount. So you guys probably can't see it all the way to the top, but I don't even have it fully extended. But once you fully extend it, it falls down really easily. So that's something that I don't really like about it. But yeah, so you can. I like the tripod in it, and here's another use that you can do with it. You take this little cap off, and it's a mini tripod on its own. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But one thing that I've noticed about the mini tripod, it's angled really weirdly, so you gotta like angle up the little things. Like, I am currently shooting on an action camera with a GorillaPod, which is probably my favorite tripod ever. But if you're just on the go, you want to use like a little tripod, do like a little time lapse, you can use this. So it's pretty cool, and it fits perfectly in the little tube, just like that. Pop back in there, and you're good to go. So another thing that you can do is, once you put this back down, you can use this, pop it out to that unlock point, then push it back in until that unlock point, and then screw it back in, and you get amazing stability with this. So you can have different angles that you put the thing on. You can, one of the ones that I use is like that, like a little thing like that, and you can get that way. You can get closer to some things, like if you're doing something on a skateboard, something like that, and that's pretty cool. So it's like a little stabilized, it helps you stabilize your shots more. Yeah. So, really collapsible. Another one is that if you just want to use it on a hand grip on yourself, you can just fold it down, or If you don't want it to be less, more big, you can unscrew that. And once again, another hidden feature, it's a singular hand grip. And as you can see there's a little nut thing, and you put the screw in here, the thumb screw in here, put your camera on top, and you're good to go. You got a little grip for you, and it's small. So that's pretty cool. I like that. It's a little tough to get back on, but once you get it, you'll, like, after a while you'll get it. Hold on. There, so you just do that. Screw that back in. Didn't screw that in right. Yeah. Okay, so I think I got it in the wrong hole. That's another. Hold on. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Hold on. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. That was a little bit of a challenge. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's one thing that you can say you don't like. You have to get it in the certain of the two holes, the one of the two holes, and that's pretty hard. So there's my review on the GoPro 3-way mount, and it's got so many more uses. Like, you can use it for time lapses, everything. So this is, I will not leave the house without this mount whenever I'm doing action stuff. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please let me know in the comments what other things you want me to review. I'm currently getting companies to, like, action camera companies, because I love action cameras. I'm currently texting them, asking them if I can review their products, because if there are any companies out there, I want to review your products. So remember to click the subscribe button, like, and turn on the bell notifications, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.